Good morning, second grade. Today we are at spelling.
We're doing phonics.
We're doing phonics.
Okay. All right. So we're doing phonics lesson 132, and that is page 263 and page 264. So we're going to start this morning with our phonics chart. So we're looking at chart 9. I'll back up a little, that might be able to help you. And Ben would like to floss today. So floss when we get to the clue word. Say it with me. I'll do the best I can. Flossing's not my expertise. Ing in pointing, hyphen ing, n in not, k n, n in nat, g n, ang in bang, a n g, ing in king, I n g, ong in long, o n g, and ung in strong, u n g, ank in bank, a n k, ink in wink, I-N-K, onk in honk, O-N-K, onk in trunk, U-N-K, wa in wash, W-A, in adopt, A, E in baby, Y, O in little, L-E, ed in wanted, hyphen E-D, T in looked, hyphen E-D, D in play, hyphen E-D. Good job. All right, you can go ahead and have a seat now. Now today, we're going to talk about nouns and verbs. So on the board here, I have our sentence. Carrie drew a picture. Now I would like you to think about in a sentence what my subject is. Now remember, a subject tells us what the sentence is about. So Ben, in our sentence, Carrie drew a picture. Come and underline, Ben, our subject. Who are we talking about? You can use your special marker. We're talking about Carrie. Carrie is my subject. What is that?
It's an arrow.
All right. And so if I want to put Carrie on my subject line, I would go ahead, and you can write that on yours, Ben. I would write Carrie. This is my diagram. So Carrie goes on my diagram. Carrie is my subject. Now I need to find my verb. So I ask myself, what did Carrie do? What did Carrie do, Ben? Carrie. What is something that shows action? I do not circle it. Remember, when we have our verb, what do we do to our verb? We underline it neatly. How many times? 2 times. Good job.
3 times.
No, we underline it 2 times. All right, subject gets underlined once. The verb gets underlined twice.
So do I write Drew?
We put drew in our verb section. Now, this is a pretty good sentence. However, I think I want to add some adjectives to the last part of my sentence. I want to add an adjective to the word picture because I think we could make picture sound a little bit more interesting because do you know what kind of picture? Do you know if it was a big picture, if it was a small picture? We don't really have any idea what that picture looks like. So I have our second sentence here, and it says, Carrie drew a blank, blank picture. Let's think of an adjective that you could add to picture.
I have one.
Ben has one.
Carrie drew a red and yellow picture.
Good. Let's pick a color. So Ben's going to pick a color.
Red.
Red. Good. He'll put red on the line. What did you think of for an adjective for picture? What did you think described picture? I'm going to pick a size because what size was it?
Red large.
A large red picture. So Ben's going to write it for me. So large red picture describes my noun picture. Don't you now in your mind think of a large red color picture? That's a great way to make the sentence more interesting. Now, Ben, read the sentence. It says,
Carrie drew a large red picture.
Oh, good job. That's a great
Can
sentence.
we write large and red?
You could underneath. Now, let's look at our Next sentence. Nick looks at a book. That's a good sentence. My subject would be...
Oh, I know.
Ben's going to come and mark it. I hope you knew it before he did. All right. Our subject was Nick. Can you tell me what the verb is in the sentence? Let's see if they know. Did you choose looks? If you did, you were right. Ben did, but he forgot something. He underlined the subject once and the verb once. You should have underlined the verb twice. So subject once, verb twice. Now, again, that's a good sentence, but we could add, let's see, Nick looks at a blank, blank book. I'm going to choose a word, and I'll ask Ben to choose a word. I'm going to choose the word picture book. So my adjective I chose was picture book.
I'm going to do a color.
What kind of a picture book, Ben? He said he's going to choose a color. You could also choose an animal. You could have chosen a dinosaur picture book. He chose blue picture book. You could have chose a cat picture book. You could have chose any kind of book that to describe. It could have been 2 picture books. It could have changed. So let's read the sentence now. Ben, read the sentence for me.
Nick looks at a blue picture book.
Nick looks at a blue picture book. Blue and picture are my adjectives, so they describe the word book. Now my sentence is very interesting. In my mind, I think of a blue picture book, and I think I'm going to choose a book about dinosaurs. What book did you choose?
Dinosaurs.
Ben likes dinosaurs. Maybe you would choose a big book about lions. Hopefully you figured out your book. Lions can be scary sometimes. Now, the next thing, if you look at your page today, and then we're going to play a game, because you know how much I like to play games.
And me too, me too, me too.
On your phonics page today, on the back side, first on page 264, at the very bottom it says, draw a picture of yourself. Remember this day? Draw a picture of yourself and label adjectives. Now remember, here's my picture. Okay, I have myself having blonde hair, orange hoop earrings, a blue circled necklace, a pink polka dot shirt. So all of those things describe Mrs. Nichols. What describes you? Can you send me a picture later of what describes you? Ben will show his later also. Now the last thing that I want to do on this page, I want you to look at the front side, page 263. On the front side, it gives you your first sentence. Mary gave me a cupcake. Now they want you to describe cupcake. So let's say Mary gave me a, can you think of 2 things?
Small.
A small, and maybe pick a color. Or a flavor. A small.
Chocolate!
I knew he was going to say chocolate. So you could write, Mary gave me a small chocolate cupcake. Look at the next sentence. Jane wore her dress. So let's describe dress. Jane wore her pink, and I'm going to say polka dot dress.
I knew it!
So Jane wore her blue polka dot dress. Now the last one, we slept in a tent. You can do on your own. Think of a tent and describe the tent. The last thing is our section 2, adding commas. Listen to this sentence. The crunchy, crisp, sweet apple was a great snack. What would you do to divide some words there? Because crunchy and crisp and sweet are not all the same. What do we do when we want to separate words to make them different words? So we add certain punctuation. Do you remember what it is? We add a comma. We add a comma. So it should be the crunchy, comma, crisp, comma, apple was a sweet snack.
Comma.
All right, and that should help you with that. So the last thing that we're gonna do is we're going to play.
Wait, how do you play when one player?
We're gonna play We're gonna play pop. So the way we're gonna do it is we're gonna show one for you and one for Ben. I'm gonna choose the one for you, and you have to figure out what the rhyme is. So let's have Ben come up first. Come on up, Ben.
If you get pop, it's
If you
over.
get pop, remember, that's a point against you. We'll see whoever gets
Oliver got pops.
3 pops in a row. That person's out, and the other person's the winner. All right, so show us what you have. You have the picture of a
Tree B.
Tree B. All right, your word is clock. Clock. What did you think of? I thought of sock. All right,
Clock.
Ben's turn. Clock, sock.
Please don't think of pop.
Oh! Ben got pop.
No!
Point against Ben.
No.
Oh!
Yes! Yes! Yes!
A point against you. All right, we're 1-1. Okay.
Hat, bat.
Hat, bat. Here's your word. Car rhymes
Oh.
with.
Oh.
Let them guess. How about tar? All right.
What's a tar?
That's like what you put on pavement.
No!
Show the class. Ben got another pop. 2-1. Let's see here. All right. Pie rhymes with. Did you guess?
I know.
Tie. Okay. All right, Ben's turn. What are you doing? He's taking his time. Come on. What'd you get?
3 rhymes with B.
Good. All right, here's yours. Bread. Bread rhymes with. Did you say head or bed?
I
Good
said
job if you did. All right, Ben got.
star. Star, Mars. When the star.
All right, there's yours. Rose rhymes with toes. Did you say toes? Good job if you did. All right. Okay, Ben got.
A snake, bait.
Snake rhymes with bake. All right. There's yours. That's a picture of a. Oh, I'm going to cover it. Snail. Snail rhymes with. What do you think?
I know.
I do too. Pale. Oh, and Levi says hail. Okay.
That's not what I said.
Oh, Levi, I should make you come play this.
Well,
Whale rhymes with.
Dale.
Good. Okay. See, Mrs. Nichols. First for the class. Dog rhymes with.
Law.
What'd you say? Frog. Good job. Or dog or log. All right, Ben's turn. No looking.
Wait, can we play one more round?
Ben got the last pie.
Can we play one more round?
3-1. You won today. And Phonics time is over. Have a great day. We'll see you again tomorrow.
Congrats.
Congratulations.